Hello dental implant fans, Alina Naraki here. In today's video we are going to be talking about what type of restorations can we place on implants, on dental implants. To answer this question, we need to know two things. What are your desires and how many teeth are missing? If we are trying to replace one missing tooth, then implant is definitely a great solution. We place the implant body, then the implant abutment comes on top, followed by a crown on that particular tooth. If you're missing 2, 3 teeth or more, we can get away with implant supported bridge. That is just like a crown, gets permanently attached or bonded to your implants. You never remove that. If you're missing most of your teeth, then the question of choice would be how many implants can you handle and what is your ultimate goal? If you want something removable like a hybrid type, then you can definitely retrofit your denture to turn it with the help of 2, 3, and 4 implants on one arch per bottom arch or the top arch into what is called a snap-on or snap-in dentures. Very, very comfortable denture, and it's a huge upgrade to a traditional conventional denture that never stays in the mouth. However, if you want to have the full arch completely cemented or bonded into your mouth, then you're looking at least 6 implants per arch meaning 6 implants on the top and 6 implants on the bottom, followed by 3 bridges, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. So as you can tell, implants are extremely versatile, and it's just a matter of decision and doing your homework and having a consultation at the dental office to determine if you're a good candidate for the implants. Thank you so much for watching. That was Alina Naraki from Dental Arts San Diego. See you in the next one.